Hello guys, how's all doing? So I just want to show you how I caught this trade on Euro USD this morning. A 1 to 3 trade. So just simple and pure price action. So as you can see, this is Euro USD chart. So for price action there, you can see that this is on my this is my 4 hour chart. Everything is bullish. You can see that everything is bullish. So price action, you should, with your eyes, you should even see that everything is bullish to the upside based on the 4 hour chart. So now what was I looking for? So let me use this trend line. Normally I use trend line, support and resistance. So price action, you should see that this is an uptrend. Then based on that, let me zoom out, then show you something. Let me show you something. Price action, you don't even need a lot of drawing on your chart. Just look at what price is doing with some one or two tools, then you are good to pick an entry. So price action, let's see. Let me change this to a pointer. So if you should use this your tool, then let me show you something. From here you can see higher high, higher low. That's price action. Higher high, that's what price does normally. So if price should break this previous higher high, what do you expect? We expect price to pull back as a higher low. So the pullback too might be around this order block, and price too has broke the previous higher high. So what do you expect? A pullback. So now let me remove this one and show you something. Let's pull out another trend line here. Very simple. On the 4 hour, let's see. Just look for something simple, something that you can. So this is the 4 hour trend line. So let me remove this one. So you can see, and price have taken out the previous high. I just want to make this video short, show you how I caught this trade on Euro USD this morning at London session, beginning of London session. Then I caught a very short reversal trade. So this is it. So let me mark out my most recent higher high. That based on the 4 hour. This is now my most. So let's drop to the 1 hour chart. Let's drop to the 1 hour chart. Let me show you. Normally I don't use the daily time frame like that, but sometimes I use it when the market or the structure is not that clear. So let me show you. This is my most recent lower low on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, you can see. Let me show you something. On the 1 hour, you can see the price is still bullish. Higher high, higher low, higher high, and price is pulling back to the trend line. This is just simple as ABC. Price is pulling back to the trend line. So you don't, it's either you wait for price to get to the trend line, you look for with some sort of confirmation. Normally I use order block to confirm certain things. So this is the 1 hour major order block. So this is a 1 hour major order block. So with some one or two things, it's either I wait for price to pull back to this level, I look for my entry pattern or my entry candlestick to take a buy on this trend line to the upside, because price is making higher highs, higher lows. We enter at the low and we get out at the previous high. Or here's one thing. Let me use the replay bar too. So as price was here, it was either I just wait for price to pull back to this zone, I look for interest and buy, or I enter with my reversal strategy. I do two things: continuation and reversal. So with my reversal, it's either I use my 15 minutes or my 1 hour for my reversal. Very simple and short. So as you can see here, price gave us this bullish candle, and if you should know that this one is an order block. This is an order block. Everything was clear. 90% the price was pulling back to this trend line. So with this 1 hour order block, let me show you something on the 15 minute where I picked my entry. So this was the 15 minute. And still price action, you can see that on the 15 minute we had lower lows and lower highs. You can just see it with your eyes. There's no need to lower low, lower high, lower low. So we should just expect another pullback here, lower high, then we look for entry and we short to that level. as simple as that. So I was just waiting for a pullback, then price was pulling back. Let me play. So price went, give, rejected. So price action, support and resistance. This is a break and retest. This one here, let me change it to simple as that. This one is break and retest. So I also use the Fibonacci to, when price breaks my 0.5 level, if I should break my 0.5 level, then I enter. Where is the fib? I'm not seeing it. Okay, so with my fib, let's take it from the most recent high, the most recent low. So as you can see, price has already entered my 0.50 level. So this is a good level. The only thing I want is an entry. So an entry to short to the downside. So let me play and you see. Then the next candle, boom, an entry. So 1 minute to the closure of this bearish engulfing, I already had my lot size and everything calculated. Then I entered here. Price was around here when I entered. Normally I go for 1:3. Normally I go for 1:3. I don't go for anything less than 1:3. So I entered and I went for 1:3. 1:3 here. I entered. So the price just 15-minute candle close when I was already in profit. I shared it to my Telegram. You can see when I was entering the trade, I shared it to them. When I told them to break even, we broke even. Then price eventually went to take profit. So let's see the next candle, boom. Then we went and broke even. The next candle, then 1 hour we were out. Exactly 1 hour, or it was even less than 1 hour then, and it was 1 hour because the other 15 minutes it took us out before that 15-minute close. So this was how I caught this trade on Euro USD this morning at London open. So if you are interested in content like joining my journey of becoming a profitable forex trader, do it to smash the subscribe like button if you are interested. So at this level, you should be looking for me some way to buy to the upside, but I don't risk more than 1% of my account. So I risk 1% on this trade and I made 3%, and I'm done trading for the day. We'll catch up tomorrow. So do well to subscribe, and you can see you can also join my Telegram group. The link is in the videos. I show them everything, they enter, break even, and take profit. So I don't want to make this video long. Let's see how tomorrow goes.